8. I pee before starting the route. It's gonna be great.
Ha!
Yes. Our first order is 40 minutes away. We got 46 packages.
Oh my god!
Yeah, 46 packages. But listen, I'm assuming one customer got like 2 packages, you know, like in between. I don't think it's 46 houses that I'm gonna hit, but even if so, it's okay. You know, I'm still making money. The shift I picked up was 5 hours. It's from 4:30 to 9:30. So I presume that I should be home before that.
Ha!
Like last week. Fingers crossed. But that's okay if it doesn't happen that way. I'm not doing anything later anyway. I'm excited. I got a new vest.
Wow.
Because the one last week was a little too tight. I got a medium large, but I fit in a XL. So I feel more comfortable. It seems that my route is heading to South Carolina. I'm not sure. Also, I wanted to show y'all, I retwisted my locks by myself. Are you proud of me?
Yes.
I'm proud of me. If you're not proud of me, that's okay. Whatever. Listen, I've been doing really good. I've been eating healthy. Somewhat. Yesterday and today. I've been making better choices. So that's progress, that's success. Also, I haven't been texting anybody from my past where I'm very tempted to go back to them. So that's good.
Oh.
Right? Because I saw the saying that says, my future is my future is greater than what feels familiar.
What? Oh.
Don't quote me on that. That's something like that. I don't know. So don't get me wrong. I've been lonely. It's okay to say that. You know, I feel like better is on the horizon. I am back on the apps.
Stop.
Yes, downloaded Bumble, made an account. And I don't know if I told you guys that before, but whenever I get an interest, like someone, they always come in twos. So I can have those times where it's completely dry and there's no one. And then when people come, it comes in twos. I don't know what that's about. Could be a twin Gemini thing. I don't know. But I'm also very attracted to Leos, I've noticed. So that's super interesting. Yeah. I don't know where I was going with this conversation, but whatever. Get to know me / my shift. I talk a lot sometimes. I do. Oh my god. 5 o'clock traffic, you guys. I'm sad about that. I guess you get to spend more time with me. Look at that. Guys, I don't know who I'm talking to, but I'm talking to you. I don't exercise often, but when I do, I go hard. Yeah. What else? I don't forget. Oh, my talking. That's what he was trying to do. I don't think that was legal, but whatever. Somebody's more pressed. Only to pass like five cars. They probably passed like 10 cars. Who the fuck knows? Okay, thank you. That was so nice of you. It was really nice of him. Or her, whatever. It was a big old truck, so I assumed it was of him. I look funny with this thing on. Oh, while I was picking up my route, I saw this really cute guy.
Oh my
His name is
god.
Elijah. he's actually really cute. And he wouldn't stop locking eyes with me. And I was like, hi. And he was like, hey. Because I was like, are you going to say hi? He was like, yeah, hey, what's up? How are you? How's your day? I was like, I'm good. I'm great. Thanks for asking. How are you? And then he was just like, yeah, I'm good. And then he told me that he gets off at 6 after I asked him. And then he said, I kept asking him, I'm like, do you like your job? He was like, it's only my 2nd week here. I'm like, do you like it? Well, you know, he just kept saying anything but, yes, I like it. Until he was like, it's all right. And I was like, okay, that's an answer for that question, but whatever. And then I was like, damsel in distress. And I was just like, oh, do you know where this is? Because I was trying to find my route area. And he was like, yeah, it'll be on this side. And I was like, oh, thank you. Not damsel in distress, but, you know, what is it called? I think it is that, right? Yeah, I think it is that. Anyway, that's my little spiel. I love flirting. I don't think you understand. Flirting is so interesting because you may never see this person ever again. And it's fun. You can kind of be someone else in a way. And I mean, I've never actually given a different name if I'm planning on learning this person or actually getting their numbers, but it's so fun. I don't understand people who are shy. Like, I'm shy. I can be shy sometimes, but it's just very like fun. Once I start, I can't finish. I'm just like, I want it. Like, it just feels good. And sometimes you get butterflies in your stomach. Ugh. I love love. I love love. I haven't been in love in a minute though. I love love. I've been in like. I've had a really deep infatuation for some people. But yeah. I talk so much. I know. It's okay. You love me though. You love me. Look at my son. I look good too. I'm kind of upset because the first drop was 40 minutes away. I'm still on my way, first of all.
What?
And I am passing the South Carolina border this time. And I still haven't delivered my first package. And I have 46 packages in the back of this car. So yes, the vest came off because I got hot. The traffic was absurd. It's now beginning to pick up. And nope, just kidding. I see there's more traffic up ahead. That's great. Isn't that great? That's great. So yeah. That's what I got going on right now. So I just wanted to give you this update real quick, and I'll see you at the first delivery. Hopefully, if I don't forget. Okay, you guys, I have three orders left. Shut up. It's 9:22 right now, and I'm tired. I wasn't as lucky as last time. Oh, I'm gonna deliver this one. I'll come back when I'm done. I'm tired. I'm hungry. Ridiculous. Is this even loud? Yes, it is. It's not that cold out here, but it's alright. It's not as cold as I thought it would be if it's snowing tomorrow. Okay. Let me take a picture of this. I don't miss this part. Hi. The time is now 9:35 and I am seeing some light at the end of this tunnel. I got 2 more packages left. 2 more. I am exhausted. My body is aching and I am tired. I hate that I didn't get as lucky and got so many packages. But $117. It is the price we pay. Let me go. I'm almost done. BRB. A little bit of update. I have 1 more package to deliver and then we will be going home. One more package to deliver, and then I will go home. I am tired. My back is hurting me. My car is making sound, and I am tired. I am almost done. I am almost done. Yes.